Introducing OneJet LCD, the next generation 3D printer specialized for digital dentistry. A dental 3D printer should be highly accurate. OneJet LCD features an array-type LED that emits light uniformly across all sections and a mono LCD with excellent light transmittance performance. It is also capable of high-precision printing at 100 micrometer or less across the entire output plate, meaning the user can apply the printed output to the patient without a separate adaptation process. A dental 3D printer should be fast. The OneJet LCD has printing speeds of up to 30 mm per hour. It can print a wide variety of prostheses, such as surgical guides, provisional teeth, models, and splints within 30 to 40 minutes. OneJet Cure Plus features a high-intensity light source, which helps cure materials within 2 to 7 minutes. Thus, the user can fabricate and place the required prosthesis on the same day the patient visits the clinic. A dental 3D printer should be easy to use. OneJet LCD offers 4 functions that improve user convenience during dental procedures. First, the user can send prosthesis data wirelessly and print. Second, the build plate is easy to assemble and remove due to its magnetic connection. Third, the printed prosthesis can be removed vertically without the risk of breakage or damage. Fourth, the automatic OneJet support setup function reduces working time. A dental 3D printer should be easy to manage and maintain. OneJet LCD alarm informs the users in advance for replacement of the LCD panel. Furthermore, the LCD panel is easy and simple to replace. It maintains the optimal printing environment, which prevents errors in prosthesis fabrication. Introduce high-precision 3D printing at your clinic with a fast and convenient next-generation 3D printer, OneJet LCD.